Let's be real for a second. The old save 10% and retire at 65 advice? It's broken. With the way the US economy is moving into 2026, even with interest rates cooling down, relying on a single paycheck feels like running a marathon with one shoe. Today, we're not talking about get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about building a passive income machine. If you want an extra $1,000 or $2,000 hitting your account while you sleep, here's exactly how you do it in today's market. First, let's talk about your lazy money. If your cash is sitting in a traditional big bank savings account, you're losing money to inflation every single day. Even though the Fed has cut rates recently, high-yield cash accounts are still hovering around 3.5% to 4%. It's not a jackpot, but it's set it and forget it income. The play, your emergency fund to a FinTech-backed cash account. The math, $30,000 at 4% is $100 a month for doing absolutely nothing. That's your internet and phone bill paid forever. Next is my favorite, dividend growth investing. In 2026, tech companies that used to just grow are now paying out fat dividends because they are sitting on AI-generated mountains of cash. Don't just chase high yields, those are often traps. Look for dividend aristocrats, companies that have increased their payouts for 25 plus years. The strategy, use an app to auto-reinvest DRIP. Human tip, when the market dips, don't panic. Think of it as your favorite store, having a 20% off sale on income. We all know us real estate is expensive. Buying a whole rental property right now is a headache. Property taxes are up, and maintenance is a killer. In 2026, the smart move is fractional ownership. You can buy shares of a rental property in Texas or Florida for as little as $500. You get a piece of the rent and a piece of the appreciation without ever having to fix a leaky toilet at 3 Anthus. Is the 2026 special. If you have a skill, stop selling your time and start selling your systems. Whether it's an automated newsletter, a niche AI tool subscription, or even renting out your unused solar energy back to the grid. Yes, that's a thing now in many states. Digital leverage is the ultimate scale. The goal, build it once, sell it 1,000 times. Look, passive income isn't no work. It's front-loaded work. You work hard now so your money can work hard later. Start with $50 a month, then $500, then $1,000. The best time to start was 5 years ago. The second best time? Today. Stop trading your life for a salary and start building a portfolio that buys your freedom back.